Hello guys, we have another tale from the cul-de-sac. Dave's coming over on his Commando in just a few minutes. Hi Dave.
Hey.
How are you doing? Okay? Oh, you've got your 360 on the front of it.
Did you not see that?
No, I didn't.
Come take a look.
It's like you're going jousting.
I know, somebody else said that too.
Oh, we did. You can have it like that and it still catches you on the bike.
Well, remember,
Wow.
360.
I know, but the lens here then, eh? Wow, amazing. What, do you get some funny looks then when you're riding along with that then?
So here, I'll show you. If you look, I've got two mother mounts here.
Oh yeah.
So I can actually run it out to here.
Oh gosh, really?
Yeah, I might try that. Let's get that.
I like the side views very much that you were doing. That was cool. You're almost riding alongside of yourself, aren't you? It's amazing.
Yeah. So
Everyone's doing the gardening. I've never seen so many nice gardens in these last few weeks. Everyone's garden's immaculate.
well, they got lots of free money.
That's it, yeah.
They got money and they got time.
Yeah. Jane and I try and go for a walk every day, you know, with the dog. And it's just incredible how many people are out in their yards, in the gardens with the dog.
I'm gonna try that. That's there's 3 sections, so that's the middle length. So I'm gonna try that to see if that still works.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Thanks for swinging by, Dave.
Of course.
Good to see you. Take care, Dave. See you.
All right.